DUALCITI is a tech-enabled investment company that focuses on high-net-worth individuals that are looking for investment in real estate with benefits. Now, in this modern world, the number of high-net-worth individuals is growing rapidly. However, these innovators often come from countries that maintain strict travel restrictions. Well, DUALCITI combines an adept knowledge of real estate, property management, legal citizenship application and residency permits to benefit foreign investors by offering to help them achieve citizenship in a multitude of countries. Well, I'm delighted to say that joining me now are the partners at DUALCITI, Tiago, Camara and David Machado. So, gentlemen, thank you so much for joining us in the studio. And Tiago, let me start with you. Can you tell me, how exactly did DUALCITI begin?
We started in Portugal, but we were forced by our investors to expand our operations to other jurisdictions due to our successful methodology. By acting as a full service provider, by supporting our clients from A to Z, we are able to provide our investors high returns on their investments, a much more efficient process of application for such programs, and also more credibility and transparency during the process. DUALCITI is a one-stop shop for clients interested in applying for residency permits and lately citizenship in Europe.
Clearly, you're doing something right, and that's been picked up on by the European because it's awarded DUALCITI the Best European Union Investor Visa Service Provider, so congratulations. Could you tell us, what does this mean for the company and how do you explain this success?
It means a lot. We are very pleased to receive such award. It means that we are in the right direction and we're doing the job in a correct way, and we are acting on behalf of our clients. By supporting our clients with a local presence, we can assure our clients independent and profitable investments, legal support, banking services, tax planning, and even property management to our clients. At the same time, our clients are our final clients and also our investors. So it enables us to stretch our level of services to a maximum level.
So your clients are high net worth individuals. Can you explain, why is residency and citizenship across multiple countries so important to them?
Yes, with the world instability due to financial crisis, trade bans, wars, conflicts, intensive border controls, such programs becomes a critical investment for families and investors. By affording doing such programs or accessing such programs places the investors and their families in safe environments.
And David, if I can go to you now, because DUALCITI does have a very credible group of programmes that have been set up in EU countries. So how does this convey what the company has achieved so far? And also, why do you think the EU is such a great place for you to set up these programmes?
So EU is basically the most reliable and safe place across the world where you can find the best common sense these days. So for the investors, it becomes an opportunity to do an investment in a safe place and at the same time collect the benefits, making a backup solution for the families and safeguarding the future generations. So we see Europe as the most reliable place these days to offer at the same time benefits in regards to residency permits and citizenship, together packed with profitable solutions for investment.
And which European residency permits programmes have the most demand?
So at the moment, majority of the focus is with the Cyprus program if you want to achieve a fast passport, or with the Portuguese program if you're looking for a residency program which gives you access to citizenship. Portugal is very focused on a backup reliable solution. Cyprus is more of a fast passport solution.
And can you briefly explain each of the programmes mentioned and their advantages?
I mean, we do majority 4 programs in European Union. As I mentioned before, just to clarify, Cyprus is the best solution for a fast passport within EU. Portugal becomes a very reliable solution to get access to the residency permit and also citizenship without relocation, and that is the biggest advantage of these 2 programs. There is also Greece, where you can find good investments in regards to real estate at the bottom level, and you also have Spain, which makes a lot of sense if the investor is looking to buy a holiday home and at the same time benefit from a residency permit.
And you mentioned Portugal and Cyprus as having the only EU residency programmes that allow investors to reach citizenship. So what are the requirements that are needed to apply for programmes like that?
So the best and most interesting thing of these two programs is it doesn't require relocation. So the investors can still do their normal lives and they can still apply for these programs. In Cyprus, we have to look at an investment over 2 million euro to get access to it. Majority focus either in real estate or in a venture capital investment. In Portugal, we have to look at investments which range from investment fund to real estate or in alternative to invest in a company structure.
Now, DUALCITI is known as pioneers in investment options that qualify clients for EU residency permits with good returns in those jurisdictions where you have a presence. So what are the new opportunities that we can look forward to for 2019?
So we're very proud to say that we just launched two amazing opportunities in regards to the citizenship and residency programs. One of them is to invest in Portugal a minimum of 100,000 euros, which is something brand new, and we're very proud to be the first ones to do it. The investors will place their monies in a corporate structure, which is a technology and ecological investment. Basically, to know more about these details, the best is to get in touch with us and we will be happy to provide the full details. The other opportunity we just launched is to invest in a venture capital investment in Cyprus, which is a bit of an alternative to just a single property investment. And this, we are very proud to be the first ones in the market to open up these new doors.
So we've been looking ahead to 2019. Let's look a little bit further into the future over the next 10 years. So that's 2029. And what sort of a company do you think DUALCITI will be, and how do you think it's likely to have grown?
We want to become and keep on being a very reliable company in the industry of citizenship. We want to keep on providing our investors the image of transparency, safety, and high returns on their investments. For them to move forward in the programs we represent, we are happy to receive their contacts. We are available 24 hours on our cell phones, WhatsApp, emails. Just by accessing our website, they will be able to have all our contacts, and we will be able to define an action plan for themselves and their families to benefit from all the advantages of such programs.
Well, I hope you achieve your goals. I'm sure you will. And congratulations on this award. So,
Thank you.
Tiago and David, thank you so much for joining us. Thank you.
Thank you.